Welcome back. In today's lesson, we'll dive into the art of pulling selects from your B-roll and choreography footage. Before we start, let's talk about the importance of in-depth organization. High-level organization helps you find what you need quickly and efficiently. But organizing at the shot and take level is crucial when actually cutting together your scenes. It makes choosing the best takes easier, molding the edit smoother, and working quickly with a director or client in the room more effective. Since a music video has many scenes, deciding on a scene-by-scene basis how to arrange your footage for optimal workflow is key. Another good way to organize your footage is by using sequences, such as select sequences. We previously looked at how to place markers on shots that you like or lift your selects to another video track to clearly identify them. This is called the shot breakdown, and I'll show you how to create one using scenes from the Spice featuring Shaggy and Sean Paul music video, Go Down There. In our timeline, we're looking at what a shot breakdown looks like. This one has already been completed, but we'll build it together shortly. A B-roll breakdown involves taking every individual B-roll shot from the scene and stringing them back to back, then subclipping and deleting the non-interesting sections, leaving only the interesting parts. Additionally, using different colors for each scene can help organize the footage visually. For example, you can see the color-coded clips here on screen. Now, let's get started with setting up your selects sequence. Begin by opening your already created select sequence. This sequence is where all your chosen shots will be placed. Having a dedicated sequence for selects helps keep your project organized and makes it easier to assemble the final edit. Reflective tip. Think of this sequence as a blank canvas, ready to be filled with the most vibrant and meaningful moments from your footage. Step 2. Watching and identifying key shots. Carefully watch each shot in your B-roll. Pay attention to the parts that stand out, those beautiful, interesting, or dynamic moments. Using markers works best for me during choreographed dance sequences that have been shot using multiple lenses compared to subclipping. With markers, we can still sync all the takes of the dance routines. Subclipping makes it harder to sync the takes because you lose the in-between frames. You'll understand better as we progress with our edit. Tip: watching the footage in real time helps you identify the true essence of each shot, ensuring you capture the best moments.
Sweat a drip off of me body, yeah. Oh, you're full of chat and you wine pan your good, make sweat a drip off of me body, yeah. Oh, you're full of chat and you can keep wine pan your good, make sweat a drip off of me body, yeah. Oh, you're full of chat and you can keep up with me energy.
Place markers on shots that you like or lift your selects to another video track to clearly identify them during the edit. For freestyle dance performance shots, since it's not choreographed, you have the flexibility to approach it as you prefer. You can subclip if you'd like. I might subclip and push one up just in case. Do whatever feels right for you. For the first part, I'll cut the head and tail of the best part and push it up to V2. This way, I can easily recognize it when working on the music video edit. With that said, watch me edit.
I can do this every morning, every evening. Have you screaming straight back to sunrise. Evening, have you screaming straight back to sunrise.
Step 3. Cutting non-interesting parts. As you watch the footage, remove the non-interesting parts, leaving only the best parts intact. These selected parts will be used as B-roll for our music video edit. This process involves carefully deciding which parts of the footage enhance the narrative and which do not.
What you gonna do when there is nobody that do it better? Nobody that do it better than this reggae guy. I can do this every morning, every evening. Have you screaming straight back to sunrise.
Just get in a the position and boss one. Never you forget this is your mission.
Tip: being selective and precise ensures that only the highest quality footage makes it into your final edit. Interactive element: pause the video and watch your B-roll footage, marking and removing non-interesting parts. The best shots should be moved up to V2. Shots that are just good or usable only when you run out of other options can stay on V1. V2 is where all the primary high-quality frames should be. Use this approach to keep your edits organized and efficient.
Early morning low, she get it good from she rise. But put it on so good and make she shake out she ties. Smile upon her face, me know she pleased with this eyes. Calling around to make them gyal roll out them eyes. Go down there, wine on, go down there. Go down there, wine on, go down there. Go down there, wine on, go down there. Go down there.
Wine pan your good make sweat a drip off of me body, yeah. Oh, you're full of chat and you can keep up with me energy. What a epic night of it, embedded in your memory. Little bubble of it, treat it like a felony.
What you gonna do when there is nobody that do it better than this reggae guy? I can do this every morning, every evening. Have you screaming straight back to sunrise.
Go down there, wine on, go down there. Go down there, wine on, go down there. Go down there, wine on, go down there. Go down there.
Consider the energy and emotion conveyed in these dance moves. How do they enhance the visual rhythm of your music video? Now, focus on the choreography footage. Watch each clip carefully, identifying standout dance moves and sequences. This includes selecting dance moves that can be used for hits, such as stepping on the ground, falling onto the ground, glances, winks, and claps. These moves add impact and excitement to your music video. Expert tip: highlighting the best choreography ensures that your final edit is dynamic and engaging. Pause the video and watch your choreography footage, marking and pulling the best dance moves. Let's quickly review what we've covered today. We watched and identified key shots in the B-roll. We cut out non-interesting parts to focus on the best footage. We pulled selects from the choreography footage, focusing on impactful dance moves. We organized our selects in the select sequence for a smooth editing workflow. We explored in-depth organization techniques at the shot and take level for more effective editing. Interactive quiz. Why is it important to watch footage in real time when pulling selects? What are some examples of dance moves that add impact to your music video? How does organizing your selects in the sequence help with the final edit? What are the benefits of detailed shot and take level organization? By carefully pulling selects from your B-roll and choreography footage and organizing them effectively, you ensure that only the best moments make it into your final edit. This enhances the quality and impact of your music video. Remember, the key to a great edit is not just the footage you include, but also the footage you leave out. Thank you for joining this tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in our next lesson.